So in this VN Video Editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit text font here on VN Video Editor. So to add some text to your video, go to where it says add or tap to add subtitle or press the T with the plus, then select title, then select the text that you want to add. So I'll just go to add a heading right here. I will then type in text font just like this. Now by default your font's going to look like this, but if you want to change it, there's this sort of bar in the middle. Go to where it says there's F and there's X right here. You can go ahead and search fonts, but if you just scroll down to where it says my fonts right here, you can kind of play around with it in regards to what font you're actually going to use. So if I just wanted to use Molt right here, and maybe I wanted to change the color to it to red, and then I wanted to add an outline or whatever the case may be, you can play around with it this way, do what you got to do. And this way, if I were to go ahead and play the video, I've now added my text with the new text font that I just changed. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit text font on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.